Upload a product. You once you log into admin panel, you go to the catalog, then click on product. So you can click on this new, and you can add the details. For add it, I'll just show you this one, how to add, so you will come to know. So product name, so that is your product name. The same you have to put in meta tag title, and there is one more called SEO. So in that you have to put that. So product name, three places: name, meta title, and SEO. If you don't have much description or don't have idea, you can put the same in a product name in the meta description. Then keywords of your products, this will help you to search in Google. And say, keyword and meta tags, you normally we use the same, so use the same in tags as well. Now this is your product description. So here you can put the description of your product. Now we go to the data tab. So here the model of your product. Then allow product code, make it enable or always. So you will get this ask for code button for your product. Price, in your case you don't have price, so just keep that. Text class none. Quantity also you can put one default. Subtract stock, yes, put that no. So whenever they make a quote, you don't have to subtract it from the admin. Require shipping, yes, because you're gonna ship your products. And status enable. Now go to the links, select your manufacturer. You just need to type the name, so you will get a list, like, right. So this is your manufacturer. Category also, like, you will get list here, you just have to write down. So this is your head protection. So head protection you have to type. Then the head protection is the subcategory of your safety category. So your parent category also you have to add. So whatever your parent category, that you have to add, and the subcategory of that product. So the two categories you have to add. Select store as a default. Then you can add the related product of that product. Here also you just type down some name and you will get the list of your added products. So that you have to do. In attribute, yes, the specifications of your product, that comes here. I'll show you here. Product head protection. Okay, I have opened this one. So specification, that thing, so that you have to here, like, you have this available in blue, green, gray, orange. So you just need to write down the color name, so it will get selected as a specification: red, white, yellow. Then this is your, like, material. This is made origin. Then this is unit, packet. This is again your packing carton. This is the dimension. This is the weight, CBM. This is your weight. I'll show you how you can add the attributes, but right now just displaying here how to select the added attributes. Now option is this, to select the color of your products. So you have to, like, add option. You have to just select option as color. Then you selected that option, then you will see the list of colors here. So you need to add all the colors. Then quantity, like in your case quantity will not come, so just select the colors. Then if image, so just click on this edit icon. And in product I am uploading all your images category wise, so it will be easier to search. So